Yeah, right. It's the same price as I'd pay back home, but the meat is better quality, a lot better quality. It's pub sirloin steak prices, isn't it, for Sydney? I guess the prices in Perth are pretty much the same. God, I wish I lived in Perth. No offence to Sydney siders, but why Perth? Why Perth? Well, climate's the same as Sydney, but so much easier to get to Bali. Munching, fishing.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. Everyone's so friendly, eh? Check out the perahu out there, the blue boats. Oh, skull and crossbones, is it? He's hoisted the Jolly Roger. Oh, he might be doing some offshore torrenting. Does anyone even torrent these days? Yeah, yes, it's the Jolly Roger. Oh, that's awesome. Can't imagine there's too many pirates in this bay. But yeah, good on him with the Jolly Roger. Discovery Karatika Plaza Hotel and Villas. They do look very quiet, don't they, eh? Yeah, of course, a villa at that size, and oh, there's a little pavilion there. Maybe it's an extra bedroom attached to the main part there, I don't know, but just so quiet and idyllic, eh? In the distance, we're getting the first sight of where we're headed. It's a patung, a statue. We'll find out what it is when we get there, eh? There's no motorbike noises as well. You can actually hear the waves, hear the water. Isn't this so great? Grabbing the water there, that's a Balinese religious thing. Especially prevalent on auspicious days at certain locations along the beach. You'll see many Balinese collecting up some water. Okay, so the local admin have put in a social media swing there. Morning. Okay, so it's a hotel I'm not that familiar with, but the sands, eh? Oh, excuse me. I was trying to hold that sneeze in until I was past the ladies. And I did my best, and just as I got behind them, whoosh, exploded. Crikey. Okay, with another beachfront restaurant here. The Wharf. The part of the Bintang Bali resort, eh? Have a quick squiz, eh? Let's have a little bo peep here. Captain Cook. Well, that beach is a 10 out of 10, isn't it? That pool is a 10 out of 10, I should say. Wow. Very nice, very nice. Oop, we're in the romantic zone here, so okay, mind your P's and Q's, play your cards right, and I guess. And when I walk away, I'll have the love of my life on my arm here. This doesn't seem to be going to happen. It's a bit of a letdown, wasn't it, eh? It wasn't very romantic for me. They're still at it here, still at it. Or are they? Is there any activity there? It's been like that for ages. Someone ran out of money. No, I can hear something happening. Well, not much really, but yeah. Sad times for that developer. Yeah, I've had my wonders for just those boats over there. Obviously, they're starting to get overgrown. I've sometimes wondered, every time I go past, it's the same boats in the same position. And I thought, well, yeah, maybe a coincidence, they always park there or something, but I've got my doubts now. We can just see glimpses of another of these signs they've put up here to help the visitors with their photos. It's the Pantai Jerman sign. Indeed, it is Pantai Jerman. We're going to go a little bit further as far as we're allowed. We're getting very, very close to the airport now. just so peaceful running through here of a morning. With the occasional motorbike destroying the ambience. It's after 9 a.m. at the moment here, and so I'm about 2 hours later than I normally would be. I like to, if I'm doing exercise, certainly wouldn't be running at this time. It's just starting to heat up a bit, and I like to get over and done with before the heat of the day sets in. And 9 o'clock, I love to be sitting down somewhere. In fact, from where I started this morning, I timed my arrival in Seminyak for 7 a.m. when my favourite coffee shop opens up. Just walking behind everything here because there isn't really a footpath to walk through. It might have asphalt there, so I don't know, force of habit, I always come this way. Lots of little kiosks there. Okay. Now, you go up that way to keep walking, you'll get to a roundabout, and that roundabout is a road it's the main road through the beach area of southern Kuta, Tuban, and it will take you up to eventually Jalan Pantai Kuta. We're going to go a little bit further because, I mean, why stop when a little bit further there's so much better awaiting us? It's like any sort of exercise or run that I do. If so close to my destination, why stop now? Just keep going. Yeah, might have started raining, or might be tired, or might be running late. Well, whatever. But no, I don't want to be a quitter. Quitting's never good. It's so much better when you do get through to the end and you didn't quit. And you can honestly say, yeah, I did it. You don't have to BS to yourself. Yeah, well, I got to Pantai Jerman. I got as far as the sign, but yeah, making up excuses. But the real part of Pantai Jerman is actually down here. And it's quite a sight to behold. Not so many international tourists even get down this way, except if exercise is their target, their goal. Oh, even my legs actually are starting to feel the effects of I did 20k yesterday, and almost exactly 20k actually. There's 19.8 or whatever. But yeah, now how about that, eh? How about that? Let's get up closer. There's a lot going on with this structure too. It's not just one a deity or god or significant figure from the Hindu traditions, but heck, there's 1, 2, 3 of them there. You've got a kind of like a dragon snake thing. Wow. Oh wow. Isn't this awesome? Isn't this awesome, hey? I'm going to have a little break shortly after I finish filming. I brought a little bottle of water with me, and yeah, just going to take in the sights and the sounds too. Just check this out. Oh, wow. Wow.